for today's video, I want to show you how to chat with creator support on YouTube. First, creator support on YouTube is the best place to learn all about the programs, tools, and upcoming events that can help to create better videos. And you can also get help to grow your YouTube channel. Let's get started. To chat with creator support on YouTube, first you need to log into your YouTube channel. Then at the upper right corner, click the profile picture, and then you can click YouTube Studio, or the other way is at the left side you can click Creator Studio. Now we are here at the channel dashboard. At the top, chat with creator support. If your first time to chat with creator support, you will choose a topic like AdSense Spin, Creator Awards, Community Strike, and something else. Once you click chat with creator support, you will be directed to a live chat. All for today. Thank you for watching.